Hi everyone, coming on to do a card from this project kit. Now I was going to do one of each of them, but I think I'll keep it short and sweet and do just one card per video. And what I'll do is I'll put them in between my normal videos. So these will go up Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, in between my normal. So the cards are absolutely gorgeous and they aren't difficult to achieve the look. So the first card we're going to do is this one, and I haven't used the kit yet. I haven't even made up a sample. I'm just learning with you guys. So I want card base. I need the shaped die cut piece. That's that one. I need the shaped sticker, which is on that one. I need the longer banner, which is that one. I think that's it for now. And obviously it's got some rhinestones on it, but I can add them when I get there. So I'm just keeping this up in front of me. So let me see if I can position you so you can actually see my whole table. I might need to tilt you down a wee bit. There we go. So I'm going to move this out of the way because I do need that, but it's a bit glary. So I'll move it over there at the minute. And we'll just make a start. So this card opens that way, and I'm just going to glue this on with some Tombow. Let me just grab that one sealed, that just came today, so we're just getting this stuck down. And remember, you can go as rogue as you like for these projects. Do what makes you happy, not just what the stamp says say you should be able to make. Make what you like. So I'm just going to line it up with the bottom part here, which is there. That's a bit large, so I'm going to come down a bit. I had a bit of an overhang up at the top there, so I'm just coming down a bit. There. Like that. And I think that gold sticker goes under, so I'm just going to lift it a wee bit. Maybe that's what the line was for actually. So I'm just going to take that sticker out. I think that is what it was for. Line it upon there and bring it down. Yeah, it was definitely for that. Right. Then we take our sentiment banner and Merry Christmas from the Timeless Tidings stamp set. For some reason that looks a bit longer. Could be wrong. No, it's fine. Right, so just grab that, and I'm going to use my black VersaFine. Oops, nearly slipped my finger in it. So I'm just inking it up like so, and then I'm going to just bring it down and hope it's stamped nicely. That's a bit ski with, but we'll make it work. Right, put that there. So what I think I'll do to make it a little bit more cohesive is I'm going to add a wee bit of stickles, if I can just find my gold, because I think that'll work. Is this gold? Nope, platinum. Gold rod, nope. Gold, there we go. So I am just going to add a nice little line down here. And this will just kind of tie in why there was a larger portion at the bottom, I hope. And I can tidy that up easily with my X-Acto knife. So if I just take my X-Acto knife and come across the bottom here, that will make this line really straight. Like so. Then we need to go down the other side to make that straight as well. So I'm just coming down here. I may need to thicken some of this up. That's okay, I don't mind that. I just would rather it was straight. Just throw that on there, and I do need to thicken up just a few wee spots. There and here. Like that. And that's going on here. Like that. Ah, just stuck my finger in it. Oh, right. So just tidying that up again. And then we just need to put it up on dimensionals. And that will make it work. So I'm going to use 3. And I'm actually going to pop them on here simply because I have got the glitter glue on it already. Let me just double check that's going to be wide enough. I want to move that one over a wee bit. That's better. I'm going to move this one up just a tiny wee shade. There. That's it. Right, where did I put my backings for that? Oops, did that tear that? No, it's meant to be there, this silly dough ball. So I'm just taking these off, that is off, and sticking them onto my dimensional catcher. Oops, it fell off. Silly beggar. So place that on there. That's better. Right, and then we've got a couple of little gemstones. So let me see where the pack opens. I can't really see very well today. I think it's here. So I am going to, in fact, it shows green on the project. 1, 2, 3. I'll go with the project actually. Let's work well with what we've got. So one goes around here. One goes up a little bit, about there. And the other one is down here, like that. And that's the card done. I think it's quite pretty, and I actually like the glitter glue. I think that looks a little bit extra special. So I hope you've enjoyed that. That is the Timeless Tidings project kit, and it is, I think it's £19. I can't even see my catalogue, which is a bit naughty. Where did I put my catalogue? No idea. I'm going to need to look for it because it will annoy me. Nope. I'm going to need to have a look for it. The only thing I can see is my Stampin' Success. Anyway, I'm sure it's £19 for this kit. And you get everything you need to make this card. Except my gold stickers, you're not getting that. But everything else is in the kit. And it's all cut for you. You don't need scissors. The only thing you will need is your ink for stamping, and realistically you could use any ink. You could probably even get away with, I mean, that looks like lovely lipstick. You could probably get away with using that, but it's completely up to you. So I hope you've enjoyed that wee video. I will be back on doing another 4. Just keeping them short and simple. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.